Oh, I did. I wasn't even recording any of that. That's what's funny. Oh, I do that all the time. I think I'm recording and I'm actually not. Oh, look at this dip. The drift dip. That's insane.
I know, this is
I
fucking
know.
insane.
This is Parkside
Look at this,
Avenue in
look at the
Buffalo.
back
This
of
is a
this car.
two-way
Look at
street,
the
which
back
is,
of this freaking
I
car.
know.
This
It's
is
normally a thoroughfare that people speed down, like between that light down there, which is Hurdle Avenue, where that red light is right there. They speed all the way over, which is like one, two, about a 3 block big generous block radius to where that light is green right now, like as if to go, haha. Where are you gonna go?
Thank God, Steve.
Nobody's going anywhere. Nobody is going. Oh, yeah. Wow. I like the tracks. The solo. We tracked this to the house across the street. Brave souls. Congratulations. Once again, our truck. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wait, I shouldn't be showing. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, that's right. It's a mini truck to be sure. It's not like a full size, but still. Look at these cars. Holy mackerel. Oh, I have no idea how people are going to be digging out. Oh, look at that one. Yikes.